You talking to me? You talking to me?
There's nobody stronger than me at any other Eurofed location.
Gotta show Mark. Here at Atlanta, we're a little bit strong. We're a little bit stronger than Charlotte.
What's up, guys? This is Tony here at Eurofed Atlanta. So here we have one of our McLaren 570s. This is a beautiful car that we did downpipes, exhaust, DME stage 2 tune. This thing is a monster. Here we got my Eurofed M4 that I'll be campaigning this year. This car is going to be campaigned the whole year. All my sponsors from Liquid Moly to Kumo tires to Stop Tech brakes, along with MCS suspension, CSF radiators are definitely going to help us out this year. So if you guys want to see more about my M4 that I'll be racing this year in grid life, welcome to check out our blog at eurofed.automotive/blog. We will also have a link down below.
So going off of diversity of what you see in the shop, I mean, today started off with just a simple oil service on a Urus, and we're doing a bunch of different services on a Gallardo over there. This Gen 2 Spider here came from our friends over at Tint World. They brought it in with a couple leak concerns. We went through with our full pre-inspection that we do on all our vehicles. Coolant leak, oil leaks, all that kind of stuff. So at this point, we're just waiting on parts. This is the simple timing chain replacement on a N20. Right now I've got the timing chain and all that back in it. I'm pretty much on my way back together. And this is normally, you know, a day and a half job. It's a pretty common repair.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Michael with Eurofed Charlotte. Today we're working on this 2018 Ferrari 488 GTB. Over the summer we did a Capristo exhaust on this vehicle along with a set of HRE wheels, and we lowered the suspension. Today we're actually putting it back to stock. The customer is selling the vehicle. We're saving the wheels. He's going to be putting those on his next vehicle.
Today we have in a 2001 Audi B5 S4 for all the Audi OG guys. This is a pretty sought after car, the twin turbo 2.7 liter V6. We're repairing the valve covers and the camshaft tensioner seals. These are known for the infamous cross pipe leaks that go in the engine valley and through to the back of the cylinder heads. New O-rings resealed, gonna clean this thing up. It's very important that when you get done with the job to make sure you clean it. New auxiliary pump, some belt tensioners had a lot of belt noise. Tensioner was oscillating a lot. New power steering pump. Gonna clean up the valve covers, make them look nice and shiny. When we get done, we'll make sure we take care of the engine. Basically make the car, the engine look new again. Beautiful car. We just wanna make sure we take care of these people and get them back on the road and the car's running for the longevity of their life.
Hey, I worked out from my biceps spine. I was given the jawline, okay? This is work. All right, guys, we got some cars in for service this week. We got a Range Rover. We're doing some services, some lookovers on this vehicle. It's still under warranty, so while it's in here, we make sure everything's taken care of. We got a Porsche. We're getting ready to do some service on this. It's gonna need some tires, and then we're gonna line it right after that as well. We have some Sprinters in. It sucks when your vehicle breaks down, but how about when your kids break the vehicle down? This vehicle was in because the door wasn't opening and closing. Apparently all his babies stuffed a bunch of toys and pencils in there, and obviously that's what's keeping it jammed. It also had some air conditioning problems, so we got that sorted out for them. Got a lot of luxury on wheels with this vehicle, but we got a lot of electrical problems to sort out before it could be right for the owner. So that's what this is in for this week.
Here's one with you, Marcel. Excellent service. The service manager, Marcel, was very helpful and worked with me to figure out just what my car needed. 5-star experience, definitely will be bringing my car back.
So here we have my other 330 that we're going to be building for Grid Life, the GLTC race. This is a brand new build that we will be doing a blog as well, so you can check it out. We'll be looking to have this car done by February. We'll be racing at COTA along with our Eurofed Texas team. Thank you for watching. Episode 3 will be out next week. Follow us, support us, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.